Hey! Today we're checking out the CINOTON solar motion sensor floodlights. So here's the box, very straightforward. Nothing wild, but inside, everything you need to get going. First, let's unpack it. You get the user manual, remote controls, mounting brackets, screws and wall plugs, and of course, the star of the show, the solar lights themselves. Let's zoom in on each piece real quick, starting with the manual. Then we've got the brackets. Simple, clean, ready for the wall. The remotes, smooth, clicky, and ready to go. No need to hunt down batteries either. Just pull out the little plastic tab and boom, you're in control. Next up, the screws. You get 2 packs, each with 2 screws and 2 wall plugs. And now, the main event. These lights are seriously cool. They've got 3 adjustable heads, so you can tilt the angle and the beams exactly where you need them. At the bottom, there is a motion sensor, and right behind that is the power button. Spin it around, and you'll see the solar panel tucked right on top. And yes, you can adjust that too for the best sun exposure. Now, let's talk installation. This little piece of wood, imagine it's your wall. Screw in the brackets. Super simple. Then, just align the light and click. It drops right into place. There's even a screw near the solar panel where you can tighten to lock it into your perfect angle. And alright, demo time. These lights are bright, like light up your entire yard bright. And with 3 smart modes, we've got options. First mode is the motion mode. The light stays off until movement is detected, then blast to full brightness. The second mode is dim to bright mode. Soft glow, then full brightness when motion is detected. And then you've got the hybrid mode. It runs at about 30 to 40% brightness for the first few hours, then automatically switch to motion mode after 4 hours to save power while keeping you protected. And that's it. The CINOTON solar lights. Smart, bright, and zero electricity bills.